This narration is for educational purposes only. It is not buy or sell recommendations.
Good afternoon, fellow ES traders. This is a narration of the ESZ4 for 12/3/24. Start with a candlestick chart, microcomposite. VPOC is still 60.15. I'm going to start a new microcomposite from yesterday since we kind of gapped out of the value area of this the last 4 days of last week. So we haven't traded down in this microcomposite VPOC, but we still have the naked VPOC from yesterday, which is 60.62. And we have our value area. So we're opening up below that naked VPOC, but not below the low value area. So looking at the stats or statistics, 98% chance we'll touch or break the initial balance high or low. The overnight high or low is 83% chance. Previous value area high and low, 91% chance. Overnight VPOC, 84% chance. Overnight mid, 84. Previous high or low, 81. So looking at here, it's kind of saying that being that we're opening up lower than this naked VPOC from yesterday, this price is too high. So we're going to open up lower. So I would be a little bearish to see what happens once we test this low area down here, test yesterday's low. So I'd be looking for a short at market open, 8:30 Central Standard Time, RTH open. Looking for a short. So I have my VPOC mid and VWAP set to reset at market open. Excuse me. So we have buyers come in that meet sellers here. Buyers exhausted. Sellers step in and push price down. We have an opening swing high here. So I'll mark that. So we break below VPOC. Excuse me. So nothing yet. Given this information so far, we broke below VPOC. I'd look for a retest to test VPOC for an entry. Came close here, but try and be patient and let it develop. So once it touched here, I'd be risk on for a short, not trade recommendation, stop above opening swing high. So here we have the opening swing low. So that would be my range. That's pretty decent range. 4 or 5 points to get risk neutral. Get risk neutral, keep holding a runner. And I'd be looking for that Value area, let's see, here, 60, 55, and then 60, 49. 60, 55, 60, 49. So I don't quite get there for the low, but if we had perfect entry on this test here, 60, 59, so still be holding that runner. And now we have VPOC migration down. Broke above. So now I'm thinking, are we in mean reversion? Are we going to go and test an upper area up here or continue lower? So potential add here, not trade recommendation. Let's see what she does. And still have your stop at the opening swing high. Target reached. 10-point gain. So now I'm looking for the next area. I'm gonna mark this high volume node right here. And this one right here. It's kind of creating the next consolidation down here. So we break above. I'm trying to see, we created a new range. Are we going to break lower? So if we broke lower on this range, retest, potential short, resumption. Or break above this range, retest. Are we going higher? No, we did still have epoch here. So this is potential range 55. So a 3-point, that's enough to get you risk neutral. So we break above, test, potential long here, not trade recommendation. Get risk neutral. Come back down. So if that was my long, we would have been stopped out on that runner. Go back down, test this area again. Break above. It's not as clean. Didn't come down and test this level again, so trying to get in here, I wouldn't. The range isn't there. This could easily reject and come back down. If we break above this, let's see. So this is interesting here too. Mark this. Any impulsive move up and immediately reject. So a lot of buying obviously that got absorbed by a seller on that high volume node. So now we're just kind of chopping. We got VPOC migration. So here, I believe this is getting close to the all-time highs, but we do have support here, so potential long there. Not trade recommendation. I would just want to see that we had a change in trend, that this is acting support and will hold before you get long. And then kind of fizzle out. So that's it for today. Appreciate you coming by. See you guys tomorrow.